Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Happy Ramadan to all my viewers. So today we are drawing a beautiful village scenery. So I am drawing a well on the right side. First of all, I have drawn a straight line. I'm using a simple 2HB pencil, and any pencil you're comfortable with or marker you can use. I am drawing the well in such a manner. Draw with me. Thank you all my viewers watching my video. Watch it full to end and don't forget to comment on my video. How is my drawing? Do let me know please. I'll give response to all of your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm drawing some bushes behind the well. Now we are drawing a house. I'm drawing a house just like this. Straight line, another straight line, and now the window, the door, and there our house is completed. Now right to the side of the house I am drawing a tree just like this. It's an easiest beginner scenery. Anyone can draw this. Just watch my drawings and learn to draw. So using the scale I have drawn a path directed from the house outwards, and now I'll draw the sun using a sellotape, and to show the rays of the sun I'll draw some straight outward lines just like this. Hit the subscribe button for more such videos with my voiceover. Okay, so now I am drawing a small pond beneath the well and the house, and drawing some little bit grass over it, and to show some water I am giving such texture.